Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what we got for you today? Well, I'm going to try and keep this brief. What we've got for you is a pen that you'll recognise from a very recent video I've done. It's another The Croxley fountain pen. Now this pen came to me, well the two pens came to me from a good customer of mine to have him restored. I've just finished this one. I just thought I'll do a very brief video because we've shown you the Croxley pens, we've shown you a mauve coloured one, I've recently shown you a golden brown coloured one, and what we've got for you here is this gorgeous, well, blue black marbling colour. Okay, so what we've done now, we've shown you 1, 2, 3 colours. I think the only one that we've got left is the green and maybe even a black. But saying that, I may have actually done a video on a black one. I'm not too sure. But okay, nice and briefly, the Croxley pen, it's a Dickinson product. What I'll do, I'll leave you a link to the end here so that you can go and have a look at the other one. There's more information there, just really to show you this pen. It's been fully restored, as I said, in this gorgeous blue marbling colour. The imprint, if we can just look over the camera, you should be able to see it says the Croxley pen, and then underneath A Dickinson product, made in not on this particular side, made in Great Britain, but if I actually turn it round slightly, there we go, you can see made in Great Britain. So all in all, beautiful pen, as we've said. With all these, comes with gold fill trim, very recognisable sort of feather lever. You can see it's got this sort of similar sort of like the Parker, the feather to the end of the lever, and it's slightly triangular in shape, which matches the clip to the top. It's got this rather thin cap band to the bottom of the cap there. As I said, the lever, again, it's got this sort of feathered look lever. It's sort of triangular in shape. Let's show you a sideways view. To the top, we've got this black cap stud, which is complemented by the black sort of slightly peaked end of the barrel. All in all, beautiful pen. Date 1940s. One of the best, well, not one of the best, but a superb, well-made, manufactured pen. Again, repeating myself, as good as any pen that you would have found in that particular era by the likes of sort of Conway, Stewart, Swan, Parker, so on and so forth. These are absolutely superb fountain pens. Let's take the cap off. Let's give you a few little twirls, because as I said, I want to keep it brief because we've already shown you this particular model. Again, slightly concaved section to the top there. The nib, as you can see, a Dickinson product nib, 14 karat gold. Let's give you a sideways view. Let's show you the feed, the sort of ladder feed underneath. You can see all nice and clean. It's all been fully restored. Everything's been cleaned. We've placed a new sack in the pen, and it'll be going back to the customer soon with his other pen. Lovely pen to hold, lovely size, nice and comfortable. I'm not going to fill the pen because, as I say, it's going back to the customer, so it saves me sort of swilling it out. But what I'll do a little dip test, writing sample, because I know you people like to see the pens writing. So what we've got is the Croxley pen. It's a Dickinson product. We're dating the pen from the 1940s, maybe even through to the 1950s, but I would say 1940s. Let's just dip it again. Lovely writer, as you'd expect from this pen. As I say, excellent pen, just as good as any of the major manufacturer of the period. And as you can see there, I'm applying a little bit of pressure on the downward stroke, so we're getting a little bit of variation in the line, but all in all a superb writer, as you can see by the writing sample there. So a little bit of flex on the nib, but superb writer, superb everyday writing pens. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it at that, because as I say, it's the customer's 2 pens he sent me for restoration. This one's finished, so I hope you're happy with your pen, Tony, and it'll be coming back to you soon. But for you people out there, I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and if you can, why not support as well. But for now, I'll say bye bye for now.